This is the finished products, guys. Ignore my questionable sheets, please. But yeah, this is the finished product, and now we're off to school. Not school, lemon water. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm obviously coming to you guys with a day of my life video, and yeah, it's already started as you can see. But yeah, I'm about to start my schoolwork. So yeah, I'm taking a couple of classes this summer, and so yeah, that's basically what I do in the mornings. And so let me just show you guys my setup. Okay, so I will either sit down here and do my work, and because my brother is here, quite motivated, or I would normally sit here, and this is a device which I actually got here in Nice. For those, okay, I'm gonna need to put you guys somewhere here. So this is a device I actually got here in Nice. For people abroad, you can definitely get this on Amazon. You can get this on Amazon. The reason I didn't get it off Amazon is because I couldn't bother to wait. I actually got this off of Conga. Buy Nigeria, grow Nigeria, you know. So this is how it works. A lot of times I sit here and do my work because my brother is sitting at the table, and they normally have like quite loud classes. So, you know, I love it. I actually love it. You can use it for like this, food, whatever, editing, you know, the whole thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna start my work, and then I'll check in with you guys later. Guys, just to give you an update, I've started on my work, and yeah, these are the notebooks that I use. I got these notebooks from Muji, and then obviously my laptop and all the basic stuff. Anyway, just thought I'd show you that. And then this table thing, I will actually link it down below. I'll link it on where you can find it, for where you can find it on Amazon, and where you can find it on Conga. That's it. Yeah. So I'm about to have lunch / breakfast. It's currently 11:08, and so yeah, I will normally have like a breakfast as my breakfast and lunch, and then when I'm at work I'll probably get like a snack or something like that. This is our lunch for today, and I'm very excited to dig in. I'm still not done with my schoolwork, and I'm here eating, but I can't come and kill myself. So yeah, this is it. I'm very excited. Okay. Yeah, this is part of my daily life. Yeah. Yay! We're finally done with school. Finally. I'm so surprised. It is 12:18. I never finished school this early. Like, I'm always doing one thing or the other. And like, I'm thinking maybe I should try and do another few, like, because basically my courses are self-paced. So I'm thinking I should do some more work just to make up for the time that like I don't usually have, that I have today, because I'm so organized today because I'm filming this video, and it's just making me feel like maybe I should film a video every day so that I can be this organized. But wow, I've actually finished my work. I normally finish at like 2 and it's like 12:18, and it's making me think, is it that I wasn't concentrating, or I think I was just super organized today so that I could actually... Okay, why are you so... He's just watching me and it's so weird. So I actually decided to take a shower because I wasn't trying to do that work. I'm not gonna lie. You know when you've done your work already and like you're just not in the mindset to do more? Basically that's where I'm at. So I'm gonna take a shower. But while I take a shower, I like to listen... Guys, I'm so out of breath because I just came off the stairs. Okay, basically while I'm showering, while I'm brushing my teeth, stuff like that, I like to listen to podcasts or music or whatever. So I like to listen to podcasts, like Christian podcasts, just to make sure that like, just to try to be intentional about like actually getting God involved in my day and not just keeping him in a box of, you know, morning and night. So I try to like incorporate it into my day. So I will show you guys what I'm listening to. Okay, so guys, my laptop is acting crazy, so it's not playing the podcast. So I will, and I'm filming with my phone, so I can't show you guys, obviously. So I will insert a picture of what I was listening to now. And yeah, I'm just gonna brush my teeth and get in the shower. So I'm out of the shower now, and I will normally put on some extra virgin olive oil on my hair. So for those of you that don't know, I did a big chop about 2 months ago, and so that is why my hair is miniature. So yeah, I normally do this. So I try to put just a little bit of water on my hair, because like I saw somewhere like, if you're trying to like moisturize your hair or put moisture in your hair, first the water has to be there, and then the oil is what you use to seal in the moisture. So I try to put just a few drops of water on the ends, especially because that's where it's most likely to break, and then not so much on here because then it gets like untidy easily. So yeah, after I do that, I would just put on some of this oil. Okay, this is actually my mom's. If you're watching this, okay, Mom, you're probably watching this. Sorry for stealing your oil. Oops. Yeah, so I just put it on like that, and then I will obviously do my edges on the days that I'm bothered. Guys, don't be fooled. I don't do my edges every day. I really don't. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys what I use on my face. So these two are what I use on my face. I'll be honest with you, I don't remember the last time I used this. But this is hyaluronic acid, 2% B5. So yeah, this is just hyaluronic acid by The Ordinary. I don't normally use it every day. Ever since I came back tonight, I haven't been using it just because I don't feel like I really need it. I normally use it when I'm in like cold places. So when I go back to school, for example, I normally use it there. And then I use this moisturizer by Lush. This is the Charity Pot body lotion, and it's very thick and that's actually why I really like it. It's a very thick consistency. I don't think this is gonna focus, I don't know, because this phone moves mad sometimes, but yeah, this is it. And I just put it all over my face after I use my hyaluronic acid, if I do. And so for the sake of this video, maybe I'll use this hyaluronic acid just to, you know, give this video some more efficacy. Or normally I also use a toner by The Body Shop. I use the vitamin E toner. I don't have it right now because I had to pack up my whole room in like 2 days before I came back to Nigeria, so I had no time to go buy stuff. And then for my body lotion, I use this one, the Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant. This Vaseline, this is it. This is what you need to be using. Don't be ashy. So this is our little outfit of today. Just some trousers from PLT. This top is from River Island. I'm just wearing some slippers, just Zara slippers, the one that everyone has. So yeah, I'm gonna do my, sorry, I don't know why I keep moving around. I'm gonna do my edges now and be out the door. Okay guys, we're about to go. Safety first, obviously. I'm about to go to work now. I have my mask, don't worry, and AirPods, and yeah, I should probably take my bag off. Okay, let us get going. Hey, hi, thank came to visit me, guys.
But we moved. Wait, why is your own hand? I don't know, but Kurode. But if you don't give it to them, how would they receive it?
Oh my. Hey guys, done with work now. I am going home. I am so ready to go home, and yeah, see you there. So I'm back home now, and I was gonna do some editing for a video that is gonna come out in like a few weeks. I'm sorry if I sound funny, it's because I sprayed this insecticide and now I'm just so congested. Anyway, I was gonna do some editing, but like I'm just not feeling up to it right now, so I'm gonna watch some Netflix instead. In about an hour, I have this call by this account on Instagram called Skin Means, and if you've never heard of her, I will actually insert a link to her Instagram in my description box. And this is basically what her Instagram looks like. It's basically a skincare page, but it's skincare and Christianity combined. The person that leads it, her name is Demi, and honestly, when I hear her speak, it sounds like love. Like, I don't know if that makes any sense. But yeah, the love of God is just so evident through her. So I'll be going and joining a call which she's hosting tonight. So yeah, I'll be doing that, but until then I will be watching some Netflix. I'm currently watching this show called AD Empire. I started it during Easter and I still haven't finished it because I'm just like that, like not that consistent when it comes to like watching Netflix. I only do so like once in a while. So some of my Greenleaf stans know that it's about to be the finale soon and it's coming out next week. So for example, that's the kind of thing I would watch. But anything else, here and there, you know. Okay, before I watch Netflix, I'm gonna watch some Belarus because like I love that girl so much.
Your eyelashes coming.
Okay guys, so it is now dinner time. I am having rice and ofada stew, a Nigerian delicacy for people that don't know, also known as ayamase. I don't know how to say it too. Ayamase. I don't know, but shout ofada rice. And yeah.
Elohim, Jehovah Sabaoth, we thank you, Jehovah Ebenezer, our stone of help.
Mommy's home. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Yay.
Hi everyone. I'm so tired though. It's been a long day.
Aww. Long days. Okay y'all, so for the rest of the night, I'll normally just unwind, chill with the family, and yeah, there's not really much to it, I have to say. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like more sit-down videos like this or vlogs, let me know what you want to see. Thank you for sticking around till the end as well, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye.